The Magic OS 9 update for the Honor 200, based on Android 15, brings a host of exciting new features designed to enhance the device's performance and overall user experience. With a more refined and intuitive interface, Magic OS 9 introduces smoother animations, a cleaner design, and a more responsive navigation system. One of the key upgrades is the AI-powered performance optimization, which intelligently manages system resources to ensure smooth multitasking, improved gaming performance, and extended battery life. The update also includes significant improvements to privacy and security, offering more granular control over app permissions and data sharing, giving users greater confidence in their device's safety. For photography enthusiasts, Magic OS 9 enhances the camera app with smarter scene recognition and better image processing, resulting in sharper and more vibrant photos. Additionally, the update optimizes the Gallery app with a new layout for easier photo management. Magic OS 9 also ensures a smoother gaming experience with reduced latency and enhanced graphics rendering. With these powerful enhancements, Magic OS 9 makes the Honor 200 a highly capable, future-proof device, offering cutting-edge features and a seamless user experience.